JR. Today I'm going to show you how to make a margarita two ways, traditional and Cadillac with GM. You're going to need a tequila 100% agave. Buy anything but Patron, literally anything but Patron. If you need Cadillac, you'll need GM. For the traditional and both, you'll need triplesec or a simple syrup or agave sweetener, either or. For the Cadillac, you'll need honey and orange, and for both, you will need lime juice. So grab all your ingredients and let's get shaking. Okay, now that you have all your ingredients together, we're going to start building the drink. First, you'll need your jigger. What I prefer to do is use the 1 ounce side for everything because one, I'm lazy and don't like cleaning the 2 ounce side, but two, it helps you get better with pouring more consistently. As you bartend more often, what you'll realize is you develop certain tastes for some things. Some people like drinks with more tequila, some like it with more citrus, and some like it with more sweetener. The key to bartending, just like cooking, is finding the middle ground that you like because everyone has different palates. So what I'll need is just over 2 and a hair of tequila, just a whisper. I like a little bit more tequila. Second step, what we're going to do is put in a little bit of triple sec. What I prefer to do with sweetening is blend a combination of agave nectar, simple, and Cointreau, which is a orange liqueur. Orange liqueur is essential for the flavor of the margarita. I find it has a slightly plastic taste to it, so this is why I like to blend it. So I like to use 1/4 ounce of triple sec, 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, and a small dash of agave nectar because this is concentrated and much sweeter. Doesn't have any water in it, unlike the simple syrup, and it's much less viscous than the triple sec. So just 2 small dashes. And then we're going to put in 1 ounce of lime. Again, this is why I like to use the 1 ounce jigger for everything because there's just less cleaning and it's easier. And everything that was washed out from the bottom goes right back into the drink without wasting anything. So, you have your drink built, ready to go. We're going to need to fill this up with some ice. And the reason that we shake drinks versus stir them is that they have citrus in them. With citrus, the actual molecules of the citrus does not blend down and break down as easily as other things. So the reason you need to break them up is with shaking it. So if you try this recipe and just stir it, same ingredients, and then shake it, you can taste the difference. It has that really sour, really bitter. You really want to slow down those tasting notes to have it more compact. So again, what you're going to do is, again, put it flat, flush on the side here. Give it a little tap. If you can pick it up with one hand, it's sealed correctly. Now, we shake and smile. Nice hard shakes, a lot of emulsification. Give it a nice whack, comes off. And this is the most important part. Again, the drink is created. What we need to do now is taste it to make sure it's the way we like it. So give it a little taste. To me, that's great. So, grab a little rocks glass. You can put this up or on the rocks, but I prefer it on the rocks, classic. We're going to grab our hawthorne strainer. And because there's no fruit muddled, you don't need to strain this. It's just going to be ice chunks. And pour. And there you have a classic margarita. Now we're going to learn how to make the Cadillac Margarita. Stay tuned. Okay, now we're going to do the Cadillac Margarita. So first what we're going to need is 1.5 ounces of tequila. One and a half. We're going to need 1 ounce of Grand Marnier. So basically the Cadillac Margarita, you take the classic triple sec and sub it out for GM, which is a cognac orange, but it's a little bit more sweeter, a little more flavor. I'm going to put in 1/2 ounce. We're going to put in 3/4 ounce of lime. A 1/4 ounce of orange juice. And a small dash of our honey simple, which is just equal parts honey and water. Small dash. And we're going to shake. Once again, perfectly flush. Give it a good once over and smile for the camera. Give it a good crack right on the line. Pops out. Once again, we are at the tasting step. We're bartending at home, not at a place, so you can taste it and change it to what we like. Give it a little sip. Delicious. And again, strain. Because we didn't muddle again, no need to strain. And even though they look similar, the Cadillac and the Classic, the Cadillac is going to have a little more of a deep flavor, a little more spice versus the lighter Classic Margarita. But there you are. That'll be $14, and I'll see you for the next video.